Hello coders, I hope you are coding well. In the previous video, we created and tested get employees API call in our Spring Boot application. And in today's video, we will call this API from our Angular application. And then we will show the employees data on the manage employees page. So let's get started. So in our Angular application to call the API, first of all, we need to create a method in our admin service. And to do this, we will open admin.service.ts, and in this file, we will copy this get all managers function, and we will paste this function here. And after this, we need to update the method name, and we will replace this get all managers with get all employees. And then we need to update the API URL, and we will replace these managers with employees. And with this, our method is completed in the service. And now let's save this file. And after this, we need to call this method from our component. And to do this, we will open manage employees.component.ts. And in this component, first of all, we need to create a variable to store the employees data, and we will name this variable as employees, and the type of this will be any. And now we need to create a method to call this API, and we will name this method as get all employees. And in the body of this method, we will use admin service, and then we will call a method get all employees. And after this, we will subscribe the response, and we will name this as res, and we will write an arrow function. And in the body of this function, we need to update our employees variable. And to do this, we will write this dot employees is equals to res. And with this, our get all employees method is completed. And now we need to call this method on the load event of the page. And to do this, we will go to the ng on init method. And in this method, after the get all projects API call, we will call this get all employees method. And after this, we will go to submit form method. And after creating a new employee, we need to update the page data as well. So in the success case of this API, we will call this get all employees method. And with this, our TS code is completed. And now let's save this file. And after this, we need to write the HTML code to show the data. And to do this, we will open manage employees.component.html. And in this file, in the second column, we need to create a card. And to do this, we will use ng card tag. And after this, for the card title, we will give this as all employees. And after this, in this ng card, we will create a div. And then on this div, we will apply ng for loop. And after the let keyword, we will name the single employee as employee. And after the of keyword, we will mention our employees variable. And after this, we will create another div, and for ng span, we will give this as 30. And now we need to show the employee data, and first of all, we need to show the ID. And to do this, for the label, we will write ID. And after this, to show the value, we will use strong tag, and we will call employee.id. And after this, for the space, we will use a dash. And then we need to show the employee name. And to do this, we will call employee.name. And after this, we need to show the email of the employee. And to do this, we will call employee.email. And at the end, we need to show the assigned project. And to do this, we will call employee.project_name. And with this, our HTML code is completed as well to show the employees data. And now let's save this file and let's run our Angular application. And as you can see, our application is up without any errors. And now let's go to the browser and let's validate the functionality of our employees API. And in the browser, we will click on this employees menu. And as you can see on this page, we got a card with the name of all employees. And in this card, as you can see, after the API call, it is showing one employee data. And this includes ID, name, email, and assigned project. And that's it for today's video. In the next video, we will create employee and manager modules with routing in our Angular application.